Hello, I'm Adam Elling, one of the attorneys with Student Legal Service.
And I'm Chelsea Flaherty, another one of the attorneys at the Student Legal Service, or as we call it, SLS.
We're so excited to welcome you to campus, and we'd like to take a few moments to talk to you about how some of the laws in the United States, specifically Minnesota, may be different than some of the laws in your home country.
The reason that we want to highlight some of these laws is because violating a law while you are studying at the U could possibly result in some adverse immigration consequences, and that's something we want to prevent.
Driving is one of the most common areas for students to run into issues. If you plan to drive in the United States, you must have a valid driver's license. You may use your foreign driver's license for up to 60 days from the time you move here. After that, you will need to apply for a Minnesota driver's license, and with that come some very specific rules. Chelsea, tell us more.
Sure. If you apply for a driver's license, you will need to bring your visa and your I-20 if you're an F1 visa holder, or your DS 2019 if you have a J visa. Your license will have a little notation in the bottom right corner that says status check and provides a date. About 2 months before that date, you will receive a letter from the Minnesota Driver and Vehicle Services Office that asks you to provide proof of your continued valid immigration status. If you do not do this, and if you are pulled over by a police officer, you could receive a ticket for driving with a canceled driver's license.
Every motor vehicle driven in the state of Minnesota must be insured by liability insurance coverage. If you are stopped by police and you do not provide proof of insurance, that is a crime. There are other types of insurance you can purchase, known as collision and comprehensive coverage. These would allow you to recover the cost of your vehicle if you are in an accident and your car is wrecked. Now, in the event that you are in an accident, it is your responsibility to provide your proof of insurance to the other driver with whom you were in the accident. It is also a very good idea to get the other vehicle driver's insurance information.
So Adam mentioned that it is a crime to drive in Minnesota without valid insurance, but there are a few other traffic-related crimes that we would like to highlight. Speeding tickets, parking tickets, or driving while intoxicated, otherwise known as drunk driving. If you are arrested driving a motor vehicle after you have consumed alcohol, you could face criminal charges, possible jail time, and a likely suspension of your driving privileges.
Speaking of alcohol, the laws in the United States may be different than those in your home country. In the United States, the legal drinking age is 21 years old. It is illegal to purchase, possess, or consume alcohol under the age of 21. It is also a crime to provide alcohol to somebody who is under 21 years old.
On a college campus, you may find great temptation to consume alcohol underage, but we want you to know that there could be consequences for your actions, especially for non-United States citizens. There are certain crimes that could possibly even result in you being deported from the U.S. or deemed inadmissible for future entries. If you have any encounters with law enforcement while you are a student here at the University of Minnesota, we encourage you to contact one of the attorneys at the Student Legal Service. We are here to provide assistance and help you navigate the legal process.
Congratulations once again on your admission to the University of Minnesota. We are the legal team here to support you.